The ice wall has finally melted, and a new world is beginning to bloom with life. Sky, Benny, Alicia, Mario, the Tree Woman, and her two sisters, Tria and Greenleafea, thought the battle was finally over after the defeat of the Dark Venom. But peace never lasts for long. Now Venom's brother, Damien, has emerged from the shadows seeking revenge. At the same time, the powerful Archons have escaped from the frozen wall and are desperate to reclaim their lost power. Under their control, the two men in black have become dangerous weapons once again. As darkness rises across the new world, the heroes must prepare for a battle greater than ever before. Will they survive what is coming next, or will the new world fall into chaos?
The new world has begun. Now it is time to remove the evil.
The shock is still lingering. Damien keeps growling and the sound is getting closer and closer.
Damien, the brother of the Black Venom, has received a message from his brother. He is going to take revenge. We must spread out and finish him off. No mercy for him. We will put an end to it forever.
The two sisters Tria and Greenleafea take up their positions to attack Damien. It does not take long before they engage in battle with Damien.
He won't escape. The others are waiting for him.
The Archons are very aggressive towards the men in black. They make it clear that they are in charge and that the men in black must obey them, because the consequences are inhumane. The men in black now know that there is always a boss above the evil boss, and they are terrified.
Sit down, we are going on a journey. Take us to the Archon's digital administrative residence. Mission understood.
Mario and Alicia are in position to attack Damien. They hear growling coming closer from a distance and stand ready for the attack. The sound is getting closer and closer. And it won't be long before they come face to face with Damien.
You must kill them.
Shh, I hear something.
Rise, Sasha. The battle calls for you.
We must help Sky and Benny. They are in danger. I am bringing my wolfmen for reinforcement.
I want you to sow chaos all over the world. Make sure the whole world becomes afraid. Ensure that we retain our power. If you fall, we will be your biggest nightmare. Warn in. You will cooperate or face the consequences.
So I don't count in the family anymore. Then you don't count to me anymore either.
The Tree Woman's cousin felt excluded from the family because she was never approached to join the fight. She decided to help Damien and to stand on the other side of the battle.
I am not your enemy. I am on your side. Let us kill them together.
Attack now. He is coming. I feel him coming.
alien and the tree woman's cousin couldn't take the fight anymore and ran away quickly. The fight wasn't over yet. The men in black had received an order to stir up fear among the population so that the Archons could feed on the fear energy of the population. They hoped to maintain their power over the population of planet Earth in this way. The people panicked, and so fear was stirred up as nourishment for the Archons.
We must keep feeding the beast, otherwise we will lose the battle.
There is fear and panic in the city. Please stay inside. Reports are coming in of absolute fear and panic as the object hovers overhead. Authorities are asking everyone to stay inside immediately. They made this shelter.
I wish so much that my grandson Mario is safe and still alive.
Alicia and Mario were back in a beautiful, safe place where they could finally relax and enjoy each other's company. Mario poured his heart out to Alicia and told her how much he missed his grandma. And that he hoped nothing had happened to her on the day the aliens stormed in.
I'm glad that we are safe. I hope my grandma is still safe.
The fighting here is over. We must go to Colombia to see if she's safe.
Sobrino Mario verá su protección en la vida real por primera vez. I'm coming, nephew!
One thing is absolutely certain, and that is that a new world is opening up. Planet Earth is bigger than anyone thought, and there is more than people could ever have imagined.
This time, the aliens are on our side.